Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the ASRock Phantom Gaming B850i Lightning Mini-ITX gaming motherboard. This motherboard uses AMD's B850 chipset and comes in a Mini-ITX form factor measuring just 17 by 17 centimeters and supports all the latest Ryzen 7000, 8000 and 9000 series processors on the AM5 socket. It features a 10+1+1 power phase design and 110 amps SPS on an 8-layer PCB and is cooled by these large aluminum heatsinks. It comes with two DDR5 DIMM slots supporting both XMP and expo memory modules with speeds of up to DDR5 8200 plus OC. It comes with one PCIe 5x16 slot for your next gen GPUs, and for storage it comes with two SATA ports and one blazing M.2 PCI Gen 5 M.2 slot, as well as one PCI Gen 4 M.2 slot at the back. You also get a total of 13 USB ports, Lightning gaming ports, HDMI output, a killer 2.5GB LAN, a USB Type-C for your display port, a BIOS flashback button, and support for Wi-Fi 6E. Other features include the Realtek 7.1 HD audio, Bluetooth 5.2, and support for Polychrome sync. We'll be testing this motherboard using a Ryzen 9 9950X along with 48GB of DDR5 8000 RAM. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 to see how the whole system performs. So let's begin the build, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the ASRock Phantom Gaming B850i Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard. It uses the AMD B850 chipset and supports all of the latest Ryzen 9000, 8000 and 7000 series of processors on the AM5 socket. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay. Here we have the motherboard, and we'll take a look at this in a sec. Okay, here we have the quick installation guide, some regulatory notices, a pair of Velcro straps for your cable management. We have two antennas for your Wi-Fi 6E, a pair of SATA cables for your SSDs, and we have two M.2 screws for your M.2 SSDs here, and one thermal temperature probe. Alright, here we have the motherboard. It comes in a Mini-ITX form factor measuring 17 by 17 centimeters. It features a 10+1+1 power phase design and 110 amps SPS on an 8-layer PCB, which is cooled by these large aluminum heatsinks. And very compact and has a nice design to it. Here's your AM5 socket, supporting Ryzen 7000, 8000 and 9000 series of processors. This is a very nice compact motherboard for system builds, and it should fit in any case with no issues at all. We have a nice heatsink here for your M.2 PCI Gen 5 SSD. Let's take a look at the back. We have one M.2 PCI Gen 4 SSD slot right here. We'll start at the top here. We have one 8-pin PCI power connector for your motherboard. And then we have two ARGB headers here, and one header for your temperature probe. We have two 4-pin fan headers. We have two DDR5 DIMM slots here, supporting both XMP and expo memory modules with speeds of up to DDR5 8200 plus OC. Here's your 24-pin ATX power connector here. We have two SATA ports, USB 3, and we have headers for your USB 2 and your front panel I/O. This is the USB Type-E connector there. Clear CMOS header, and we have one PCI 5x16 slot for your next gen GPUs. We'll have one extra fan header here, and then a header for your audio here. Other features include the Realtek 7.1 HD audio, the Bluetooth 5.2, and support for the ASRock Polychrome sync. Let's take a look at the I/O. We have the 2.5GB LAN, USB 3, USB-C for the display port, Lightning gaming ports, HDMI output. We have four USB 2s, audio for your mic in, line out, and SPDIF. This is the BIOS flashback button, and Wi-Fi antennas for your Wi-Fi 6E. We'll be testing this motherboard using AMD Ryzen 9 9950X along with 48GB of DDR5 8000. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 to see how the whole system performs. So this was a quick unboxing of the ASRock Phantom Gaming B850i Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard. As you know, I love Mini-ITX boards. It's something about them. I mean, it's amazing how you can fit so much technology in such a tiny motherboard. So how does the ASRock Phantom Gaming B850i Lightning Wi-Fi perform overall? Well, using AMD's Ryzen 9 9950X along with 48GB of DDR5 8000 RAM and a GeForce RTX 4080 Super, we managed to get some pretty impressive scores in all of our benchmarks, including a Cinebench 2024 score of 2251 points for multi-core and 129 points for single core. For PC Mark 10 and Pass Mark 11, we got very good scores of 10,321 and 17,343 respectively. For Procyon Video Editing Benchmark, we got a score of 57,479 and a score of 226 for the AI Computer Vision benchmark. For 3D Mark Steel Nomad and Speedway, we got excellent scores of 6,819 and 7,596 respectively. And finally for Port Royale and TimeSpy, we got an amazing score of 18,728 and 26,241 respectively. If you love Mini-ITX boards like me, and you want to build a mini gaming PC powered by AMD's Ryzen 9000 series of processors, then the ASRock Phantom Gaming B850i Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard is your answer. It's packed with features and offers good performance, plus you can get it at an extremely affordable price. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it, that was a quick look at the ASRock Phantom Gaming B850 Lightning Mini-ITX gaming motherboard. It's a tiny compact motherboard with lots of features and supports all of the latest Ryzen 7000, 8000 and 9000 series of processors. It performs pretty well and is perfect for system builders who wants to build a compact mini PC. Hope you enjoyed this video, give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.